Let's now proceed to diagnosis according to Zhang organ patterns with the pattern liver blood stagnation. The liver has a significant influence on the movement of blood in the body. This is because the liver is responsible for the free flow of qi and thereby blood in the body, and because the liver is a reservoir where blood is stored. Now let's go to its etiology. Qi invigorates blood, and the liver ensures the free flow of qi in the body. This means that a chronic liver qi stagnation can develop into liver blood stagnation. Liver blood stagnation will always be a more chronic and more serious condition than liver qi stagnation. The etiological factors that can lead to liver qi stagnation will be relevant here. In addition, cold and heat conditions in the body can lead to the stagnation of blood, so etiological factors that result in heat and cold can also be relevant. The symptoms and signs. There will be dysmenorrhea. The pain is piercing or stabbing. There will be dark, clotted menstrual blood, irregular menstrual bleeding, abdominal pain, lumps in the abdominal cavity, vomiting of blood, costal pain, hypochondriac pain, purple nails, purple lips, dark complexion, purple and swollen sublingual veins, purple tongue or purple sides of the tongue, possibly purple spots on the side of the tongue, and a wiry or choppy pulse. The key symptoms: swollen purple sublingual veins, dark and clotted menstrual blood, piercing or stabbing menstrual pain, and a wiry or choppy pulse. The treatment principle is treat liver qi and invigorate blood. The acupuncture points to choose from are liver 3, spleen 6, spleen 10, bladder 17, bladder 18, gallbladder 34, pericardium 6, and spleen 4. And we use the draining needle technique. To further explain the choice of points, liver 3 and gallbladder 34 spread liver qi and thereby invigorate liver blood. Spleen 6 spreads liver qi and invigorates blood. Spleen 10 and bladder 17 invigorates blood throughout the body. Bladder 18 spreads liver qi and invigorates liver blood. Pericardium 6 and spleen 4 together open chongmai, and the chongmai regulates the movement of blood in the small Lu vessels. It is supplied with blood from the liver and it sends blood down to the uterus. Physical activity is important when there is liver blood stagnation. This is because the physical movement will activate qi and blood and promote their circulation. If the underlying pattern is liver qi stagnation, the advice given for this pattern should be followed. If cold or heat are the root causes, the advice given for this pattern should be followed. Liver blood stagnation can be caused by liver qi stagnation, heat, or cold. And in turn, this can result to phlegm and qi stagnation. So to summarize, liver blood stagnation has its etiology in emotional stress, stagnating liver qi, local blood stasis from knocks, falls, bleeding, and qi stagnation, qi deficiency, heat, or cold, impairing the free flow of blood. The underlying and accompanying pathology, stagnation of liver qi. Possible presenting conditions, there will be cardiovascular diseases, hepatosplenomegaly, menstrual disorders, heterotopic pregnancy, and postpartum disorders. Signs and symptoms: fixed stabbing pain, superficial bruising, abdominal masses, dark purple clotted postpartum menstrual blood, painful irregular menstruation, infertility, soot, black complexion, rough, dry, lusterless skin, red speckles, purple macules, spider nevi, petechiae, purple nails, purple lips, vomiting blood, and nosebleeds. The pulse will be wiry and the tongue will be purple, especially on the sides, and has possible purple spots. The treatment principle: coarse liver, rectify qi, and blood. The acupuncture treatment, we use Li4 to relieve pain, gallbladder 34 to coarse the liver, bladder 18 to rectify liver blood, spleen 10 to rectify blood, spleen 8 to harmonize the womb, kidney 14 to move blood stasis, Spleen 4 and pericardium 6 to open the trunk vessel to invigorate blood. Bladder 60 to rectify uterine blood stagnation. Liver 3 to course liver and rectify qi and blood. Bladder 17 to rectify blood. Liver 6 to regulate blood. Stomach 29 to move blood stasis in the lower burner. And liver 5 to course liver qi and regulate menstruation. Thank you for your attention.